Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to easily find all solutions to this trigonometric equation, and then we'll find solutions in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. We're going to solve the equation 2 cosine squared theta minus 3 cosine theta plus 1 is equal to 0. We'll first let x be equal to cosine theta, and that gives us 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. We'll factor this. So we have a 2x, we have an x, and then we have a 1 and a 1, and we need the 3x to be negative. So these are both negative. This gives us 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we get x is 1/2, and we get x is 1. We'll then replace x with cosine theta, and we have cosine theta is 1/2, and then cosine theta is equal to 1. We'll remind ourselves that theta then is the arc cosine of 1/2, and theta is the arc cosine of 1. For our first value for theta, cosine is positive, so theta is going to be in the first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. For our second equation, cosine theta is 1, so theta is going to be located at a coordinate point. For our first equation, theta is arc cosine of 1/2, and this is equal to pi over 3. And in the fourth quadrant, theta is going to be 2 pi minus our reference angle. And let's just note that this was our reference angle back in quadrant 1. So our theta is going to be 2 pi minus pi over 3, and that gives us a value of 5 pi over 3. For our equation on the left, theta is then equal to pi over 3 plus 2n pi, and then 5 pi over 3 plus 2n pi. Between 0 and 2 pi, theta is pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. For our equation on the right, cosine theta is equal to 1. Cosine's related to x, and x is equal to 1 at this point, so we see that theta is going to be equal to 0 plus 2n pi, and between 0 and up to 2 pi, our theta is going to be equal to 0. And lastly, we'll put in our value for n.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.